Anna's Pizza Shop. Today we have mud cheese and leaf pepper. I want the biggest pizza, but please don't put bugs on it. Sir, your pizza is almost ready, but it's very fancy. Good, because I'm a very fancy, hungry boy. Make way, make way! A famous driver is coming through. Noah, you're only famous in your own head. That car has lights, music, and a horn. My feet don't have any of that. Can we sit in it for just one tiny minute?
Wait, your hands are full of mud, and my car is brand new.
It's not mud. It's pizza sauce from nature. See? I'm cleaning my hands right now. Anna, that leaf is making your hands worse.
This is a no mud, no leaf, no sticky finger car area.
That sounds like the most boring area in the world. Watch this smooth turn. It's like magic. Your magic is slower than Grandma's turtle. No! I charged you this morning. Maybe it got tired from being too shiny. Dr. Anna says the car has a sleepy battery. Dr. Tom says it also has a very dramatic owner.
Wait here. I know a car that never acts fancy. Is it safe? Or is it from dinosaur time? Come on, old car. We need you for a rescue mission. Even the dust is saying hi.
Here it is, the Thunder Wagon. That thing looks like it fought a lawnmower.
It's not ugly. It has adventure marks and one very loud squeaky song.
You can ride with us, even if your car is sleeping. Really? I wasn't very nice about the mud. Everyone hold tight. This is not just a car. It's a world racer.
Captain Tom, please do not crash into the pizza shop.
On the left, we have the giant volcano of Mom's flower. Don't hit the volcano. My socks are not lava-proof.
Bump ahead. Everyone make your brave face.
This is my brave face, but I look like a scared potato. The crowd is cheering, and the champion is turning now.
Emergency feet brakes worked perfectly. Your feet smell, but they saved us. Maybe fun is better when everybody gets a seat. Maybe new is not always better. Thunder Wagon has finished the race. The Thunder Wagon has finished the race.
I see a seesaw, and I feel a silly plan coming.
Please make sure your silly plan doesn't involve a hospital.
I'm the Seesaw King, and no one can move me.
You are not a king. You are a giant sandwich. I'm pushing with all my power.
Your power feels like one small noodle.
Move, Seesaw King, move!
Sorry, Tiny Hero. This mountain is closed today.
Friends, we need help. The seesaw is under a dad attack.
It moved. I saw it move a tiny bit. That was just my royal sneeze.
Lulu, we need your smallest but bravest paws. Lulu has the power of snack hunting.
Oh no! The Seesaw King is flying! Teamwork wins, and Lulu gets a medal. I was beaten by kids and one tiny dog.
That is because we are small, but we are many.
When the music stops, the person holding the gift opens it.
Yay! Okay, but my hands are ready like little gift traps. Pass it slowly, please. My heart is racing.
My heart is running too, but my hands are slower.
Oh no! It stopped 1 second too early. That gift has rude timing. I got nothing, not even wrapping paper.
You got suspense, and suspense is very expensive.
That toy is really cool. I'm happy for you. Thanks, Anna. You can play with it after cake. Clapping feels better than making a grumpy face. Yes! And your grumpy face scares the balloon.
2 ice creams for 2 tired champions.
Please tell mine to stay cold forever. Your ice cream looks taller than mine. No, yours looks creamier, and that is not fair.
You took a giant lick. I saw it with my 2 eyes. It was not giant.
It was a normal, polite lick. Your cone has more chocolate lines. Your cone has better sprinkles, and sprinkles are treasure.
Why is my hand so sticky? Because our ice cream is escaping.
We talked too much, and now my ice cream is a puddle.
Mine turned into sad soup.
Here, you can share mine, but please eat before it becomes soup too.
I will share faster than I complain. You have a milk mustache. So do you, Mr. Ice Cream President. The building is so big, and the posters are staring at me.
They are only posters, sweetheart. They cannot blink. That popcorn machine is making tiny food fireworks.
Good, but please do not put your face inside the fireworks.
Why is it getting darker in here?
Because movies like to start with a little mystery.
That screen is bigger than our wall at home.
If the lion jumps out, I am hiding behind you.
That was really loud.
You can hold my hand, and we can breathe slowly together.
I do not like that wind. It sounds like a monster whisper.
It is only wind, Leo, but you can stay close.
Leo is scared too.
Yes, brave people can feel scared first. Leo, we must cross the bridge before the river gets bigger. My paws feel frozen, but I can try one step.
Do you want my popcorn shield? No, but maybe keep it closed, just in case.
One step, then one more step. I can do small, brave things. That is enough, Leo. Keep going.
He is not running away.
No, he is walking through his fear.
The bridge was scary, but I crossed it.
Now the bridge knows you are brave.
Leo was scared, but he still went. I was scared of losing popcorn, but I also stayed. Next time, I can sit in the movie room again.
That sounds like a very brave plan. Noah, we saw a lion cross a scary bridge.
Move, Noah. I want to say hi too.
But my nose is doing a special video show.
Wait, I am telling the bridge part.
And I am telling the popcorn danger part.
One person talks, then one person listens. That is how our ears survive. Amelia gets the next turn, and Noah gets a quiet mouth.
Thank you, Dad. My words were stuck behind his forehead. I liked Leo because he was different and still brave.
I liked the part where nobody's car needed charging. Behold, I am Minnie Anna, queen of bossy plans. Excuse me, I am not bossy. I am organized with volume. Tom, do not touch that. Tom, clean this. Tom, stop being a potato.
That is not how I sound. Okay, maybe a little. I am Tom, and I need snacks every 5 seconds.
That is not true. Sometimes I need snacks every 3 seconds. Why do I suddenly have 2 Annas and 2 Toms?
Because this house needed more chaos. You are copying me wrong. You are copying me too clean. Maybe being me is harder than you thought.
Maybe being me is also harder because I am very mysterious.
I like Anna's big ideas and Tom's silly courage.
And I like that our family has many different kinds of funny.
Dad, raise your hand and walk backward like a penguin.
Oh no! The magic is too strong!
Careful! There is a pillow mountain behind you.
Mom, spin like a happy washing machine. One spin only, because this washing machine gets dizzy.
My penguin legs are out of power.
Should we charge you like Noah's car? Magic is fun, but it should not make people tired or sad.
So magic should help, not just boss people around.
By the power of cozy magic, you get a blanket. This is my favorite spell of the whole day.
My brain is still running like Thunder Wagon.
Then we will park it slowly for the night.
Hello, hello, hello. I have 1,000,000 tiny questions.
Pony, it is bedtime, not question time.
Do you like carrots, clouds, socks, or noisy spoons?
I am choosing quiet, and quiet is winning.